Hi everybody, I'm Jim, also known as the Hippie Redneck Geek. Unfortunately, I'm looking right into the sun, so it makes it very difficult to do this here, but so one of my favorite pastimes is cooking out here on the grill. This is my char griller I bought from Lowe's many years ago, and it's a duo setup. It's got gas on one side and charcoal here for the other side. Plus it has an offset here for doing smoking. And this is what I do a lot of my cooking on right here. And so I will be doing videos using this here. And some of my videos will also be in the kitchen, because not everything needs to be cooked outdoors or requires to be cooked outdoors, such as making rubs, cooking barbecue sauces and stuff like that. And some stuff is just better off cooking on in the house. I also have a lot of cast iron tools that I use. I do a lot of Dutch oven cooking, so I'll have Dutch oven out here with the a stand to cook on that using charcoal. And so this is an introduction to my channel, and hopefully you'll enjoy and follow along as I do a lot of outdoor cooking, smoking. I'll be doing many favorite dishes such as jambalaya, tacos, smoking a turkey, cooking a brisket, doing ribs, Boston butts, pulled pork, various many other things along the line. But those will be some of the things I'll be starting off with. So enjoy, click subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for new videos. See you soon.